Welcome to Fanpage Karma. In this video I'm going to show you how to find out what your competitors on social media are posting. Open a dashboard that contains the profiles of the competitors of your industry and go to Posts. For this example I picked the retail industry. Now here you see the complete list of posts that the profiles made in the last 28 days. You may choose to look at a different time period. Just go to the calendar, click on it, and pick your time frame. Also, you may choose to hide certain profiles by clicking on the eye. Right now the list is sorted by actuality, so the most actual post is right at the top. But you can also sort the list by the different KPIs. Like for example the number of likes, and we see that this target Instagram post got the most likes. If you're interested to see different KPIs, you can click Select Performance Indicators. Here you see the KPIs that are already chosen. Click Add KPIs. Here you have all the different KPIs, cross-network and network-specific. I'm going to add engagement and Facebook shares. And save. And now they appear here. And I see that this Christmas post of Aldi got the highest engagement value. The post list can be extremely helpful to learn about the campaigns your competitors are running about certain events, like for example Halloween or Christmas, Easter. Just pick the time frame of the event. Like Halloween is the 31st of October, so start a couple of weeks earlier. And maybe a week later, and then type in a search word like Halloween. And now the list shows you all the posts of the time frame that contain the word Halloween or the hashtag Halloween. Down here you can even show more posts than just 25, and you see that there were 128 posts about Halloween. Now I can, for example, check which Halloween post got the most comments, and it's one of Target, about a Halloween event they're running. Let's also find out who got the most engagement, and it's also Target. And you can even click on the post to see it on Instagram. Now you can go through the whole list and get inspiration for your own Halloween posts, learn what you can do better, and find out how you were performing in comparison to the other profiles. And if you want, you can export the whole list, either as a CSV, Excel, or PowerPoint file, or check this box to receive the report monthly via email. Now you know how to work with the post list. Have fun analyzing.